Good morning everyone and welcome to the Zenfinex morning brief for Thursday the 7th of October. Now as a whole this week the dollar hasn't really moved too much. There's been some chop and churn on the index and that's quite typical of a non-farm payroll week. This is in contrast to US stocks that are really flying towards the end of yesterday's trading session, and it's really spilled into today as well. At the time of recording this video the NASDAQ is already up 1% and the S&P 500 is up 0.7%. And these are really massive gains considering the London Open really has only just begun. Now the reason for this is because Senate Democrats and Republicans neared agreement to extend the debt ceiling to December now. Essentially it's a short-term extension on the massive borrowing limit that they have. The original date was just 12 days away and there was a real threat and a real risk of default in this payment. This would have been a disaster for the likes of the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. It would have shown their policy really wasn't right. Now I'm looking for a temporary pullback on these charts before the US Open at 2:30 p.m. today. However, I expect today to end really well for US equities and 15,000 is in sight for me for the NASDAQ. That's it for today's morning brief. Take care.